Here's the solution to number 13 on the Exam 2 review. On this one, we're looking for Hamilton circuits and Hamilton paths. So remember, these are very different than Euler paths or Euler circuits. We want to visit every vertex, but only once. Okay, the only exception to that would be at a circuit, you're going to start and end at the same place. These are a lot easier to find than Hamilton. So there's a lot of different answers, especially for A. So we want to start and end at A. We want to visit every vertex. So we're going to start at A. So I'm just going to show you a couple of possible answers. So maybe I go from A to B, and then from B I go to C. So I'm thinking A, B, C. Okay, then from C, maybe I go D, F, E. So D, F, E, and then from there I go back home. It is a circuit, so I have to go back to A. All right, so that's one possible answer. Let me do another one real quick. So notice we're not real concerned about going down every edge. That's not really that important. We just want to visit every vertex. So let's say we have to start at A. Let's just say I go in a different direction. So maybe I go to F, and I want to be careful not to go to C because I don't think I can get back to E. So I'm going to go to E next. So far I have A, F, E, and then I'm going to go D, C, B. So D, C, B, and then remember I have to go back home to A. So these are just two of several possible answers. There are more answers than this. I tried to list them all on the answer key. I don't know if I got them all or not. So now for B, I want a path. So we're going to start at, let's see, we're going to start at C, and we're going to end at B. All right, so if I start at C, what I probably don't want to do is I don't want to go to A, because then I can't get to all the others. If I try to go to the others, I'll have to come back through A again, and I'm not allowed to do that. So if I go to C, maybe I want to stay away from A. So let's try maybe D, E. So far I have C, D, E. So I'm only concerned with vertices here. So F, A, B would be one option. All right, so let's try one more. All right, so I know I have to start at C. Now the first time I went to D, so maybe this time I go to F. So D, or C, F. From there I pretty much have to go to D, so I don't get stuck. So C, F, D, and then E, A, B. And then I think there's one more on this one. So let's say I start at C. Let's try going to D again. So I'm going to go C to D. So first time I did this, I went to E. So this time I'm going to go F, and then E, A, B. So I went to F, and then E, A, B. So there's three possible ways to get a Hamilton path. So remember, it's not edges, that's Euler. When you're working with Hamilton, you're trying to visit every vertex.